welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a scrunch bleach on a shirt and I thought I'd show you what I'm doing. If you'd like to do it, you need some thick bleach. I've got a Tesco one here, but any thick bleach will do, and a spray container. This is an old recycled surface container bottle, and it's 2/3 bleach to 1/3 water. So whatever size container is always 2/3 bleach to 1/3 water. This is a good consistency for dyeing clothes. Also, make sure it's a well ventilated area and wear some old clothes. This is the plain plaid shirt that I'm starting with. I have ironed it and just done up the top button, and that's it at this point. So now I'm just going to scrunch the shirt for the scrunch dyeing, and what we want to do is just literally scrunch it all up as evenly as you can. I'm going to turn part of that collar in because I don't want it all dyed, and then scrunch the sleeves and then turn the cuffs in. I'll do the same on the other side. Just turn the cuff under. Okay, so I'm happy with the scrunchie. I feel I've got it as even as possible. And now literally we're just going to spritz over with the spray bottle. So I'll just give it a shake and then we're going to spritz all over. It doesn't have to be really thick, just so it's got a good sort of splattery covering. Okay, there we go. I don't want to do too much because it also does bleed. Okay, I'm now going to turn it over and we'll spritz the back. I'll try and keep it in its sort of form as it is now as I turn it. There we go, I'm happy with that. I'm just going to now spritz over the back. These scrunch dye ones make such amazing patterns. They're so exciting because you never know how it's going to turn out. There we go. Okay, I'm happy with that. And I'll leave that 15 minutes and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. Okay, it's been about 15 minutes or so. I'll just show you close up. You can see how it's started to dye. I'll just put my glove on and then just show you what it's like as we open it up. There you go. I'm just going to literally hang this up just to assess the bleach pattern to see if I need to do a second coat or anything, or a second scrunching. Okay, actually it's quite a nice spread out design, not too much. I do kind of like that actually. Okay, so that's how it's looking. I could probably do with a bit more on this one side here, so I might just do a little scrunch and a little spray just there, just to even the pattern out a bit. Let me just see again. You really just assess it and see what you think with your design. Actually, I might leave it like that with the big patches and done like that actually. Yeah, okay, I'll leave it just as it is. And I'll put it in the machine now and give it a wash. I'm going to pop this on just a standard mixed 30 wash. Here's the shirt now it's finished. I have put it in the dryer and I have ironed it. And this is how it's come out. So I'm really, really pleased with it. I think the design is great. It's got a nice speckled sort of pattern on it, and I'm really, really happy with it. So thanks for watching my video. Please give me a thumbs up and subscribe for more DIYs. Thanks for watching.